Hey guys, welcome back to our quiz time. And the content for today's quiz will be vocabs from lesson 82. The first question, what is hero in Chinese? We have A. 合同 B. 天 C. 英雄 D. 防毒 Is it A, B, C, or D? 合同 is contract, 天 is to sign, 英雄 is hero, 房东 is landlord. So hero in Chinese is C. 英雄. The next question, what is reimbursement in Chinese? We have A. 报销 B. 漫画 C. 悲哀 D. 发票. You can try to guess first. 报销 is reimbursement, 漫画 is comics, 悲哀 is sorrow, 发票 is invoice, and reimbursement in Chinese is A. 报销. The next one. What is to sign in Chinese? We have A. 签 B. 发票 C. 报销 D. 合同. I will give you time to think first. 签 is to sign, 发票 is invoice, 报销 is reimbursement, 合同 is contract. And to sign in Chinese is A. 签. Another question here. What is sorrow in Chinese? We have A. 房东 B. 悲哀 C. 英雄 D. 漫画. I will explain it later. 房东 is landlord, 悲哀 is sorrow, 英雄 is hero, 漫画 is comic. And sorrow in Chinese is B. 悲哀. Let's move on to the next question. What is invoice in Chinese? We have A. 发票 B. 签 C. 悲哀 D. 英雄. Which one do you think is the right answer? 发票 is invoice, 签 is to sign, 悲哀 is sorrow, 英雄 is hero. And the right answer for this question is A. 发票. Moving on to the next one. What is comics in Chinese? A. 合同 B. 报销 C. 房东 D. 漫画. Which one do you think is the correct answer? 合同 is contract, 报销 is reimbursement, 房东 is landlord, 漫画 is comics. And the correct answer for this question is D. 漫画,漫画. Moving on to another question here. What is contract in Chinese? A. 漫画 B. 悲哀 C. 合同 D. 发票. Which one do you think is the right one, guys? Manhua is comic, 悲哀 is sorrow, 合同 is contract, 发票 is invoice. And C is the right answer for this question. 合同, 合同. And finally, the last question here. What is landlord in Chinese? A. 签 B. 房东 C. 英雄 D. 报销. Which one do you think is the correct one, guys? Qian is to sign, 房东 is landlord, 英雄 is hero, 报销 is reimbursement. And B is the correct answer for this question. 房东, 房东. And thank you for your time and good job. See you guys again on our next lesson. Bye.